Good morning, students. This is Mr. Larios. Wanted to go ahead and touch base with you all on your project for Schoology and ICED. And so I've gotten a couple of questions regarding the upcoming PowerPoint project. So let's go ahead and visit it so we can go ahead and get started smoothly and try to see if we can put a dent in getting the assignment completed before the Thanksgiving break. So the first step we're going to do is, of course, we're going to visit the lesson, and we are on Microsoft 365 PowerPoint Basics Unit 1. And today we're going to be working on your project. And so what we got to do first is we need to download the Career Cluster Intent student file and the Career Cluster Intent Views student file. So we're just going to click on them and they are going to go ahead and download. I don't know, you saw one of them go up there. We're going to do the second one, and we have two of them. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open them up. All right, we got one coming up right quick. We're going to open up the second one. Let's just give it a little bit of time. They should be coming up real quick. All right, so we're going to click Enable Editing. All right, this one is enabled. We're going to go over the Career Cluster Intent Presentation Views, and we are going to do that. So this is going to be the one that you're going to edit. And this presentation is the one you are going to pull from. This is your resource presentation. So let's go ahead and go back to ICEV and let's look at the project instructions. So when you go here, you see that we already went ahead and downloaded the two files that we needed. And then the step one of the directions is open the career student
Career
file
Cluster
and the career
Intent
cluster
Student File.
intent
Career
views
Cluster
student file by
Intent Views
clicking
Student File.
on the blue instructional materials bar. So we've already done that. You saw me do that. Save the career cluster intent views student file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and save it. We're going to go ahead and click File, and then we're going to save it as we normally do. Now, this is not my school computer, so I'm going to go ahead and just get you guys to go to your G drive like you always do, and then save your work on the G drive as if you would. And it's going to be under this PC, and then you guys would find your G drive, okay? So that way you can go ahead and have a little bit of free space. Like me, I don't have any space here. So we're going to go ahead and just click cancel, but you are going to save yours in the G drive, all right? Put your first name, last name, and then career intent, career intent, career cluster intent views. And so let's go ahead and go on to the next step. So it says complete the following edits to the presentation. On slide 1, replace the student name text with your name. So of course, you're going to go on over. We're going to click here, and then you're going to go ahead and change your name. All right. And then that's it. And we're going to move on, and we're going to go to the next step. Says on slide 2, insert a screenshot of the career cluster intent student file normal view. So this is where the videos come in play, but let me go ahead and show you what it's talking about, okay? So here in the career cluster intent resource file, you're going to go to view, and you see here it says presentation views, and you have normal view, outline view, slide sorter, notes page, and then reading view. So this is the normal view. So what we're going to do is we're going to screenshot or clip this particular um, this particular screen. Okay, so of course I screenshot by using the Windows and print screen, and there it goes. It's screenshotted. Now I'm going to go over to my other presentation, and I'm going to go to slide 2, and then I'm going to go to insert, and you see right here in the images group, you're going to go to screenshot, click on that, and there's my screenshot right here. So we just click on that, and then boom, there it is. Then we go on over to slide 3. We read the instructions for slide 3, and it says on slide 3, insert a screenshot of the career cluster intent student file in outline view. And so then we go ahead and we go back to the resource one, and we do the outline view. And look at what that does. So then we screenshot this, and we go back and we go to the outline view. We click insert. We go to images, screenshot, and then we go back over to, what is this? No, we're not doing that. Hold on. And then here's my outline view. Click on that, and there's my outline view. And then you're just going to go down the row, and then you're going to keep on inserting all these. What this is teaching you is just the first steps on how to use PowerPoint presentation with its unique tab features. So hopefully you guys can get this one, and it shouldn't be too complicated. If you don't get it, we'll explore it later on. But as you can see, all the steps that follow are very similar. All right, you go on to slide 4, you screenshot the career cluster in the slide sorter view, and then the notes page view, and then the reading view, and then you're done. So we went ahead and we did 2 together. So let's go ahead and get the rest of them done. I am confident you guys will be able to get it completed. If you have any further questions, just let me know. And don't forget to look at the rubric here on the grading scale. All right. All right, everybody, have a good one, and I hope you guys have a good resource to get this assignment completed. All right, have a good one. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.